In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a 1099-NEC using TurboTax. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a few easy steps, you'll be able to navigate TurboTax with confidence to ensure your 1099-NEC is filed correctly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the relevant tax year. For this example, let's consider the 2025 version. Once you arrive at the TurboTax homepage, make sure you're logged in with your account. This will allow you access to all the necessary forms and features you'll need to file your taxes effectively. After logging in, look for the Income section on the dashboard and click on it. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the different income sources you might have. It's important to gather all your income documents before you begin so that you can ensure everything is accounted for correctly. Next, direct your attention to the Wages and Income Summary. Here, you can review all the income types that have been added to your file so far. It's a good idea to double-check this summary to ensure there are no errors or missing information, which could potentially complicate your tax filing process later on. Now, you'll want to focus on the Self-Employment section. This is where the 1099-NEC comes into play, as it often pertains to independent contractors or freelance work. Click on the Self-Employment option, and you'll be guided to where you can enter or review information related to your self-employment income. At this point, you should see an option labeled Revisit. Click this to enter the section where you can add your 1099-NEC form. TurboTax will prompt you to add the 1099-NEC by following specific on-screen instructions. Be sure to carefully follow these prompts and enter the information exactly as it appears on your 1099-NEC form, which you should have received from any clients or companies you've done work for over the past year. As you follow these prompts, TurboTax will ask for details such as your name, address, and the payer's information, along with the amounts listed on your 1099-NEC. Double-check each entry for accuracy. Mistakes can lead to processing delays or even audits, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once all the necessary information is inputted, TurboTax will incorporate this into your tax return. Review your entire return thoroughly before proceeding to submit it. This is a crucial step to catch any errors or discrepancies that might have slipped through earlier. And that's it! You've successfully added a 1099-NEC to your TurboTax account. Filing taxes can be complex, but by breaking it down into manageable steps, you can tackle it with ease. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax filing.